Welcome back guys to another video, and today we're gonna look at the BingX CSV and Excel report so you can download that in a few easy steps and then import it into your crypto tax software so you are prepared for your crypto taxes. Let's dive in and look how we download our CSV in Excel. Now, if we have bingx.com open in our browser, then we have to probably log in. I'm logged in already, I'm a little prepared here, but you have to log in. And all you have to do to obtain your CSV and Excel file is go to your user icon and then go to data export. It's very easy. And if you click that, then you will be on the correct page already. The thing with BingX is that you only can export a time period of 1 year, meaning you cannot export if you click on custom and you just want to export the entire history from I don't know how long you trade on BingX. It only works for you 1 year, so you have to always select 1 year, then the next year, then the next year, and so on and so on. For our case, we're not trading for that long on BingX, so I just clicked past 1 year. For the accounts, we select all the accounts. For file type, we select Excel, and then for the transaction type, all the tax reporting data, and then we hit generate. We see here that we have 13 times left. It's important to know that if you generate a lot of reports, then after 15 reports per month, you will be restricted and you have to wait until the next month starts so you have the new time limit or download limit. Down below, you will see at the export history, all your exports. You'll see that mine is still generating here, even though I requested it like 10 minutes ago. So it's good to bring some time if you want to export your BingX history, depending on how many transactions you have and how many years you want to do. I have prepared the download already because I've done that yesterday here. And then I will show you where you can find a written tutorial as well, how to obtain your CSV. Meaning if you go to CoinTracking, for example, and then search for BingX under the imports, then you will see a written step-by-step guide how to obtain your CSV one more time in case something changes and this video is outdated. It's very easy as well that you can simply click the link here and then you will be redirected directly to the correct page in BingX, so you can simply just click generate and then you're simply done. You don't have to manually navigate somewhere. So that's very handy from CoinTracking. As you see, to obtain the CSV from the exchange was really easy. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below and I will answer every single question there is. Also, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.